A-B-A-C-K, aback. And aback is adverb, and the meaning of aback is to be very shocked or surprised. And the example for that, I was somewhat taken aback by her honesty. Here are another example of aback. I was at first taken aback, not quite sure what was going on. Next is, the arguments confounded many and the Western press was taken aback. Next example is, when she is taken aback, he tells her he will leave her alone and lies down some distance away from her. The next is, Mesky was taken aback by the violence of public reaction. The next is, the only way that we can register our objection is to vote against each motion and offer to assist to bring it aback amended. The next is, that took us all aback, but they are experiences that are remembered with a degree of pleasure. The next example is, I think that everyone here was taken aback by this enumeration of the amendments that have been refused, often without very detailed explanations. The next one is, I was a little taken aback to see that we had been relegated to the last page and almost the last paragraph. The next example is, I was always taken aback by the lack of knowledge of local people about what was going on. The next example is, I was a little taken aback suddenly to find that he had tabled early day motion 18.9. Next example is, he was taken aback and began saying something about not being a legal expert. The next one example is, I never ceased to be taken aback by the role of psychiatrist. I was a little taken aback by that. We are not children. We know what is going on in politics and we are rather taken aback at his attitude. So friends, if you learn something new from this video, please like this video, and if you come first time on my channel, then click on the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. So friends, bye bye, take care, see you again in the next video.